Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are solving an interesting Olympiad problem in which we have a very short of options. So it is must to use math tricks to get right answer. So first of all, I am writing here our equation according which a plus ab plus b is equal to 76. Now we are taking a common from first two terms and remaining 1 plus b is equal to 76. So we don't have any other term or value to find an other factor. For that I am adding plus 1 to both sides of equation. Now we have a times 1 plus b plus 1 and b plus 1. 1 times b plus 1 is equal to 77. Now we can write here a plus 1 times b plus 1 is equal to 77. So now we have two factors of equation and it is time to take factors of right hand side's value, which is 77. So 77's factors are 1 times 77, 77 times 1, 7 times 11 or 11 times 7. So which factors will be suitable for our terms is a plus 1 times b plus 1 is equal to 1 times 77, or a plus 1 is equal to 77 and b plus 1 is equal to 1. Another option, a plus 1 times b plus 1 is equal to 7 times 11, or a plus 1 is equal to 11 and b plus 1 is equal to 7. Here we have to look back what is our question. According to our question, a and b are positive integers. So if a and b are positive integers, then a must be equal to or big than 1, and same way b should be big or equal to 1. So a plus 1 should be equal or big than 2, and same way b plus 1 also should be big or equal to 2. And for that we are rejecting our first two factors, 1 times 77 and 77 times 1. Now we are taking here 7 times 11 and 11 times 7. So if a plus 1 is equal to 11, then b plus 1 is equal to 7. Or if a plus 1 is equal to 7, then b plus 1 is equal to 11. Now we should add both equations, and it means a plus b plus 2 is equal to 18, and here a plus b plus 2 is also equal to 18. So if a plus b plus 2 is equal to 18, then a plus b is equal to 18 minus 2 means 16. Turning to next page, a plus b is equal to 16. Looking to our question once again, which is a plus ab plus b is equal to 76. A plus ab plus b is equal to 76. So as we know, a plus b is equal to 16. And substituting that value in our equation, we can write here 76 minus 16 is equal to 60, which is equal to a times b. If a times b is equal to 60, then factors of 60, which are 1 times 60, 2 times 30, 3 times 20, 4 times 15 and 5 times 12 with 6 times 10s should be matched to AB. So which one is suitable for A times B? As we know, the sum of AB is equal to 16. So here we can say 6 times 10 will be suitable factors for 60, as the sum of these numbers is equal to 16. For that we can write as, if A is equal to 6, then B is equal to 10, and if A is equal to 10, then B is equal to 6. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and keep watching.